Biblical names reveal a person's true identity and serve as divine declaration of character or mission. Translated Jehovah, actual Yahweh. Translated Jesus, actual Yeshua. Translated Holy Spirit, actual Roh HaKodesh. Translated Moses, actually Moshe. Translated David, actual David. Translated Solomon, actual Shalomo. Translated Jacob, actual Yaakov.